Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Daisy.
How are you today, Daisy?
I'm sick.
Are you happy?
I'm happy.
How old are you?
I'm sick.
Where are you from?
I'm from Villa.
Are you ready?
Yeah,
Let's start. What's this number?
sick.
It's number 6. What's this number?
2, 7.
7. Okay.
Eat number 4.
Good.
Eat number 1. Eat number 8. Eat number 5. Eat number 7. Number 9. Eat number 2. Eat number 10.
Good. Now look at this picture. What is it?
Coming.
Coming.
Look. Open the book. Close the book.
Close your book.
Close the book. Stand up. Sit down. Open the book. Say. Look. Read.
Listen.
Listen.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Goodbye.